In this video, we provide an overview of select statement. You have seen that from an ERD we derive a table and use create table statement to define different columns. We use insert statement to insert data rows into the tables. The main purpose of a database management system is not just to store the data, but also facilitate retrieval of the same. So now, how do we see the data that we have stored in a table? That's when select statements come into picture. A select statement in its simplest form is select asterisk from table name. Here the select statement is termed as the query, and the output we get from executing this query is called a result set or a result table. Let us take table back for our example here. Select asterisk from book when executed from the command prompt will give out the result set like this. You can also use IBM Data Studio for executing this select statement. For better viewing, we have used the command prompt outputs. Make a note that this is not the exact output for this particular query, since we have truncated the result set for display purpose. Asterisk here refers to all the columns that are there in the table. As you can see, all the data rows for all the columns that are in the table book are displayed. We can retrieve data for all the columns by specifying the column names individually in our select statements too. Here is an example of that. The result set is same as our previous example, but we are using the column names here. Relational databases allow retrieving a subset of columns from table. In this example, we are retrieving data from just two columns book underscore ID and title from the table book. Select book underscore ID title from book. Let's see what happens if the order of the columns are interchanged as in this example. Select title book asterisk ID from book. As you can see in the result set, order of the columns will always match the order that is passed to the select statement. Order as defined in the create table statement is ignored.